Hello, welcome to Original Craft Process, where creativity flows freely. Today, we will guide you through drawing a delightful love cups. So, grab your pencil and let's get started. Begin by lightly sketching a simple cup shape. Think of a slightly curved cylinder with a wider base. Now, let's add some charm. Draw two overlapping heart shapes on either side of the cup for the handle. These will symbolize your love and affection. Next, add details to make your cups come alive. Sketch a graceful curve at the base for a decorative touch. Don't forget to define the rim of the cup for added realism. Time to add depth and dimensions. Shade the inside of the cup lightly to create contrast. This will give it a more three-dimensional look. Lastly, refine any lines and erase any unnecessary marks. Add any extra details or decoration to personalize your love cup. In the last, write love beautifully and then draw a heart behind it and then decorate the heart and trim it. And there you have it, a charming love cup ready to spread joy to anyone who lays eyes on it. Remember, creativity knows no bounds. So, unleash your creativity and imagination and keep crafting with the original craft process. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.